Ito na yata ang pinakamurang hotel room in Alabang where you can get an access dun sa rooftop infinity pool nila. Ito yung view sa umaga at ito naman yung view sa gabi. Hey Jarelskis! Welcome to Azumi Boutique Hotel in Madrigal Business Park. This is just across Molito. We booked their queen room with a queen size bed plus one sofa bed for less than 3,000 pesos. Pwede mo tong i-book sa Klook. You may use my code, makaka-discount ka pa. Pretty spacious yung room tapos maganda din yung view. Though hindi na-open yung balcony, pretty much you can already enjoy the view. Then there's a blackout curtain if you wanted privacy. So aside from their sofa bed that you may use for lounging while you watch on their smart TV, you can access Netflix, YouTube, at marami pang iba. Then may work area din. Na-surprise din ako kasi 2-door yung refrigerator nila. Then may microwave oven. Plus may plates and utensils na rin sa cabinet. There's a complimentary water and coffee din with water heater that you can use. Punta tayo sa bathroom. Ito yung toilet bowl. Ang importante, may bidet. May complimentary toiletries and toothbrush na rin. And then very spacious din yung shower. There is a window that is open towards the room. But of course, you can also close the curtain for privacy. Ang lalaki ng kanilang cabinet for storage. Then there are hangers, blower, tapos may slippers and a safe. Meron din pala silang gym sa second floor pero much awaited was this infinity pool sa kanilang rooftop. You can enjoy this. Then they also have movie nights here sa gabi. They have buffet breakfast for additional cost sa Romulus Cafe sa ground floor. So if you want a relaxing staycation in Alabang, check out Azumi Boutique Hotel. Book this through Klook. Use my code to get discounts. Cheers!